The Huawei P30 Pro is Huawei's way of telling the world that the company is trying to take charge of the evolution of smartphone photography. We spent a day in Paris shooting with the Huawei P30 Pro, and here is what we walked away with. The Huawei P30 Pro features a triple camera setup, actually 4 if you count the time of flight sensor, but the triple camera setup is one that boasts of a number of unique features. For starters, the 40 megapixel primary sensor has a unique RYYB Bayer pattern instead of RGBG. This, Huawei claims, makes the sensor more sensitive to light. There is also an aperture of f1.6 to let in as much light as possible. The other unique highlight of the P30 Pro's camera is the 5x optical zoom lens, which utilizes the periscope design. This allows for a hybrid zoom of up to 10x and a whopping 50x digital zoom. Using the Huawei P30 Pro for a day was quite an experience. The 5x optical zoom offers something never before seen on a smartphone. Being zoomed in that far also makes the camera very susceptible to shake, but the OIS worked decently well to compensate for it. Sadly, the aperture on the telephoto lens is f3.4, which makes it hard to use in less than stellar light. The 10x hybrid zoom also works fairly well, with the resulting images being of fairly decent quality. We shot a few scenes across the entire focal length offered by the phone and were impressed. Here are a few samples for you to see. This set of images was shot at 0.6x, which is 16mm, going all the way up to the 50x digital zoom. The results are there on the screen for you to see. Here's another set of images for you to see that show the entire focal range of the Huawei P30 Pro. In the day-long use, we were sadly not able to take a lot of low-light photos, but the one photo that we did manage was out of the hotel room window. It showed some softening, which could be due to the glass window in the hotel room. Huawei said that the P30 Pro can shoot stellar low-light images using just the single photo mode, but we will be testing that out in the coming days. On the front, the 32 megapixel selfie camera also manages to produce some great images, albeit only during the day, since that's when we tested it. The Huawei P30 Pro feels like a very worthy upgrade to the P20 Pro, offering a new large 40 megapixel sensor, a 5x optical zoom that opens up a lot of possibilities. Huawei made a lot of tall claims about the P30 Pro's camera capabilities, and we will be doing a thorough test for each one of them to figure out just how good the P30 Pro really is. So stay tuned for our in-depth review of the P30 Pro's camera coming very soon. Thank you guys for watching this video, and in case you liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button on our channel.